This is a ring toss game for adults as well as kids too, and it's by Elite Sportz. And it's very easy to set up, and it's great for camping, beach trips, as well as barbecues too. It comes with this carry case, as well as pegs, ropes, and plastic tosses too. There's also this pegboard as well. Let me show you how easy it is to set up. This is so fast and easy to set up. And this is perfect for family reunions, as well as corporate events, carnivals, backyard parties, and barbecues too. Perfect for picnics as well. This is also great for helping kids with their counting skills, as well as fine motor skills, as well as sportsmanship too, and taking turns. This also helps the kids with counting as well, and this is perfect for indoor as well as outdoor use. Perfect for gloomy, rainy days as well. Okay, now that we're all set up, let's go play a game. So the point of the game is to toss these rings into the corresponding pegs, and whoever has the highest score wins. I hope it's my husband, Alex, but we'll see. Okay, here we go. Winner buys dinner. Wow! Good job, honey. Wait, now it's my turn. I might win 25 points too. Ah, so close. This is a lot harder than it looks and so much fun. Okay, 2 out of 3. I was sent this from Elite Sportz to evaluate and to give my opinion, and I think it was super fun. And I think you will too. Thank you for watching, and hope you found this video helpful.